Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again, boys, in class 9. As you know that this is the virtual class or virtual learning system of Pakistan International School, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. As you know that this is based online class means Pakistan International School, Taif online class for class 9 students. Subject is computer science. Today our video or lecture is number 7. You Zoom user to contact me or for question, any question and answer. Name is Imran Ahmed and Zoom meeting ID is 332-629-9208. And this is the timing or the availability of my availability of the teacher or me. Okay, next comes to the real topic. We have started chapter 4, which was data communication. We have already done the first 10 short question and their answers and 4 long questions and their answer. Today, and the 4 question which we have done already, first was describe the components of communication system with the help of diagram. So these are the components of the communication system: sender, receiver, message, transmission medium, and protocol. And this is the diagram of that question. Next question was explain asynchronous and synchronous transmission modes with example. So asynchronous means when the time interval between two characters is not same, it's called asynchronous, and synchronous when the time interval sending between two characters is always same is called synchronous transmission. Next question was describe the following guided media. Guided media, I told you, in which physically cables are exist, is called guided media, which were twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. Next question is describe the unguided media. Unguided media, first we have explained the radio waves, then the types of radio waves or application, radio wave television, radio wave control toys, up to so on. So microwave, infrared, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, satellite, up to so on, these are called the unguided media. Today our topic is describe the functions of the following communication devices. What are the functions of these? Are called the communication: A, router; B, NIC, the NIC card or network interface card; and C is switch or access point. Keep in mind, these devices are used for the network or internet. Okay, now we will have to explain router. First, I will show the diagram of router, which is this one, which I hope all of the boys who are using the internet, not sharing the internet, they are using their own internet. They have this kind of router in your home. So router is a communication device that is used when two networks have to be connected for communication. To network, first of all, what is network? Network is when two or more than two devices, not a computer, two or more than two devices. It could be a smartwatch, it could be a mobile, it could be laptop, it could be any device. When two or more than two devices are connected to each other, why they are connected? In order to share their information is called the network. So over here, two networks. Let's say one network is present in one computer lab and another network is present in another computer lab. Now we want to join these two networks. How can we connect these two networks? With the help of this router, we can connect these two networks. Networks have to be connected for the communication. Which purpose we use the network? For the communication purpose. They send information from one network to another by selecting the best pathway. They send information from one network Let's say one network is my lab and another network is another lab or in any other city. So they, by selecting the best pathway, best pathway means, let's say I am sitting over here in Saudi Arabia. I want to send some kind of data to in Pakistan. So what to do? There are different paths. Let's say by air, by road, by sea. So best pathway, which way is the feasible or best pathway, then it will be select the network and send the information to Pakistan. According to this path means one network is like over here in Taif, Saudi Arabia, and then Dubai, then Dubai, Iran, then up to Sudan, then Pakistan. Then second network is, let's say, Saudi to direct Karachi, Pakistan, through sea. Means underlying they are placing the fiber optic cable. So best pathway, if the one is corrupted, he will select another one. If the other one is corrupted, then the best one. Anyway, so best pathway means there are more than two networks are there, and I want to send, and the connection is the best connection. It will select and send the information. They send information from one network to another by selecting the best pathway available. There are two types of router. There are two types of router. I select the picture of that router which have both of the types. Number one, wired and wireless. Wired means, watch over here, there are some ports, one, two, three, four, and another one port, another one port. If I want to connect one laptop or one network to another network, I will select this device, then place one network cable over here, another network cable over here. So with the help of these devices, they are connected to each other and it will make the computer network. So there it will join the two networks to make a network. So this is the wired. Wireless, watch over here. Watch over here, there are antennas are present. Let's say one router generate the signal and another router generate the signals to catch these signals. They are making a one network. So these are the these antennas are used for the wireless and these ports are used for the wired. So this is the router picture. Next, NIC card. NIC card, network interface card, is used to connect computer together to create a computer network. For example, in if I have a desktop computer, so how can I connect this desktop computer to another desktop computer? Number one thing, if there is a device which is called NIC card is inserted in the computer, then one NIC card in the back side and the another NIC card of the another computer backside, we will we will fix the cable, we will connect the cable to make a network. So these are called the network interface card. NIC card is used to connect computer. In the modem, watch over here, these are the diagram. First check this one. This is the network interface card. Watch over here. I will fix this network card from where? In the main board. In the main board, and at the back side it will be appear. Over here, this is the port for RJ45. Now, and in the back side of computer, one computer already have this. At the another computer, if I want to make the computer network between two computers, so I will use this NIC card to make the computer network. So now both of the computer have, let's say both of the computer have NIC card. Now what to do? With the help of RJ45 connector. RJ45 connector is used in coaxial cable or you as a twisted pair cable also you can use. So with the help of this cable, I will insert fix one cable over here and another cable on the back side of another computer. So they will connect to each other and they can share the data now each other. So this is the NIC card. Watch here, it is a NIC card. NIC card is used to connect computer together to create computer network. It is a card that is installed on the motherboard. Where it is installed means we will fix this network card into the motherboard. There are two types of network cards. Wired network card, this one is the wired network card, and the wireless network card. So this one is the wireless. Watch over here. This one is the antenna. If I fix this network card in the in a desktop computer, so with the help of antenna, it generates the signals. And another, if a computer have same wireless network card, it accept the signals and they can make the network to each other. So these are the two NIC cards. One is wired is this one, and wire is this one. Next one, switch or access point. Switch access point is used for connecting computers. If you have ever visit in the computer lab, we are using a switch. Now, sometimes we called it hub also, but it is a switch. Switch together in a local area network. Local area network, we will discuss this topic in detail in chapter number 5. But over here, local means in a single room or in a building. If we want to connect the computer, this is called the local area network. So in a room, let's say computer lab is a single room and we want to connect all the computers together, then which thing I will use? So I will use switch. A switch or access point is used for the connecting computers together in local area network. Switch is used in wired network. Switch is used in wired network, whereas access point is used in wireless networks. So now I will show you the diagram. Watch over here. One is switch over there and another one is access point is over here. ISP. What is ISP? Internet Service Provider. Let's say you are taking the connection from STC. STC provide the connection and it comes to your modem. Now, if you have number of user more than, let's say, over in the modem there are 4 also pins are there, 4 ports are there. You can connect direct this laptop to modem. But if the user are greater than 4, then what to do? Then we will use the router. Why? To extend the networks, to extend the network. So I will put one cable with the help of RJ45. I will insert one cable over here backside the port and another over here at the backside of the modem. Now I have capacity. Watch over here, count them. How many ports are there? It depends. 2 raised to power n. 2 raised to power n means some router have 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Let's say it have, think it has 32. Now I can connect the 32 laptop or computer or devices with this router. Or I can connect the 32 networks with this router. Now one switch I place over here. I place the one switch and connect this switch with this router. Now I have capacity extended. Watch over here the switches or ports are there, and I can connect the 8 more than computer. So I connect the wireless access point with this one. Now check here, over here, this laptop received the signal from this switch. These two laptops accessing the router. I can place one laptop over here to connect direct with the modem, but its speed will be much more high as compared to router and switch. Why? Because it is directly accessible. Now there are two laptops are also there. They are accessing signal from where? Over here, wireless access point in our home. We have using the router which also can generate the wireless signals. So no need to use this one at that time. So this is the small kind of network which I show you, and it is uses the switch. So this one is switch, and this one is wireless access point. Okay, boys, this is the last long question of chapter number 4. Now, in the exercise, there are MCQs are also present. So we will check the MCQs. Question number 1 is, because we have completed the whole chapter, now we can do MCQs easily. But remember this, I already select the proper and the correct MCQ option over here, but you will try the at your home and open the book and the corresponding topic and search yourself. First is, in which of the data transmission start or stop bit is used. Watch over here. Start and stop bit are used in asynchronous transmission. Where is the topic of asynchronous transmission? Okay, where is the topic? Asynchronous transmission, start and stop. Okay, there are a lot of scrolling, that's why I leave this and the asynchronous transmission. So you will open the book topic accordingly and search either it is correct or not. So in which of the data transmission start and stop bits are used? A is synchronous, B asynchronous, C satellite transmission, D microwave transmission. So correct answer is asynchronous transmission. Number 2, in which of the following transmission the time interval between the character is always same? Character is always same. Time interval between. So synchronous transmission. Watch here. Synchronous transmission is the correct answer. But over here, 3 others are there. Asynchronous satellite transmission and mic D is microwave transmission. So proper or correct answer is synchronous transmission. And because I read the A, not A is the option. Synchronous transmission is the correct option. Number 3, which of the following transmission media uses light waves for the transmission information? Light wave. We have studied the guided media, but our guided media we have studied about coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, telephone line, and fiber optic. So fiber optic cable, D option, is using the light waves for the transmission of information. Number 4, which of the following is used for the short distance communication, very short distance communication? So radio signals, no, microwave is used for the long distance, satellite transmission communication occupies very long distance. Infrared, I gave you the examples of mobiles they are facing each other and the distance will be 1 inch or 2 inch, more than, not more than this one. So infrared is used for short distance communication. Number 5, in which of the following impairment the strength of signals falls off with distance? Means as soon as distance is increases, signal is falling down. So which is the answer? A, distortion, B, attenuation, C, crosstalk, D, noise. So attenuation, fall of signals occur due to attenuation. So this is the correct option is B. Number 6, which of the following impairment refers to understand signals that enters the path of transmitted signals due to electronic radiation? So, I gave you the example, you are communicating at the phone and you are listening the voice of another person, not that person who you call or who you are talking to. So another person, this is called the crosstalk. So under undesired signals, watch here, undesired signal refers to the C, crosstalk. Number 7, which of the following device is used for connecting computer together in wireless local area network? So this was our today topic. At the last, we have studied the access point. But then the rest are the options are A, dial-up modem, B, router, C, switch, D, access point. So access point is the best answer according to 7. Number 8, which of the following device is used for connecting together in wired local area network. So we following dial-up modem. Still we are using router switch. This was our today point. So switch is the best device for connecting wired local area network. I give you the local area network. We will study in the chapter number 5. Okay, next is in which no, sorry, which of the following device forward information from one network to another by selecting the best pathway available. So best pathway, this today we also study this one. Best pathway, always select the router. This device select the best pathway, but the rest of the options are dial-up modem, B router, C switch, and D access. So B is the correct option. Number 10 and the number last, what represent the overall data transmission capacity of a computer network? How can improve the internet or internet speed? If you have the highest bandwidth, you can transmit your data high with the high speed. So what represent the overall data transmission capacity of computer network? Data rate, bandwidth, signal strength, and baud rate. Okay, boys, these are the 10 10 MCQs which are present at the last of your exercise. Okay, now comes to the assignment. This is your assignment. You must do at your home. First two are the short one, and third one is little bit long, and the last topic. So you must do this for yourself. Number one, amplification. Number two, signal to noise ratio. And number three, characteristics of communication channel. This is your assignment. You must prepare this assignment and also make the notes for yourself. Okay, good luck and best of luck. Good wishes. Take care. Allah Hafiz.